I have this really nice shiny new iPad, and there's one thing that's missing from it, and that is a case. So here I have the OtterBox Defender case for the iPad. OtterBox, has been a big name in protective cases for both iPhones, iPads, and all kinds of Android phones for many, many years now. These cases are really great and really durable. I like them in the past. They are a little bulkier, but if you're going to be using this in the field or running around on a job, these cases can really take a beating while keeping your very nice iPad or whatever mobile device you have safe and free from harm. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Got the case. Check it out. Famous last words, right? Here's the instructions. I'm just going to set those aside. But here we have the OtterBox itself, and this comes in 3 pieces. There's kind of a back case here, there's a nice front cover, and there's also a screen protector with this particular device. Let's open this up and put it on the iPad. So now I have all 4 pieces here, the back cover, the stand, and the screen protector. I want to go ahead, I'm going to get some cleaning stuff, clean up this iPad right here, get all my fingerprints off of it, and then assemble this guy. So I have just some basic lens cleaner here and a microfiber cloth. I'm going to clean off the iPad. I also put on some gloves just to keep my fingerprints off this thing. I'm going to avoid spraying directly on the iPad, and I think just spray on the microfiber cloth itself. It's also good to do a cleaning of these when you get them because you never know what might be on it from the factory, and it's just nice to give it a good cleaning. Alright, let's put it... I'm going to put the back case on. I want to make sure, of course, that I line up the camera slot on the case with the camera on the iPad. So it goes this way, slips right in there. Then I'm going to put the screen protector on. Again, just going to give it a nice little wipe down. Make sure to line up. This guy goes like that. Should pop in. Whoops. I want to make sure that the rubber gets all the way back on and in this groove right here, so that it clips on and doesn't come back off again. There it is. So you can use the iPad without this back extra protective case because alone the OtterBox here this is already a hard plastic and is quite durable on its own, but this case actually functions as a stand, and so this pops up like this. It can be a stand if you want to use the tablet maybe at an angle if you're doing some typing, or if you're trying to watch a movie, I think you can put it on in the other direction, holds it at a slightly higher angle, and it'll even hold it in the vertical orientation. It also acts, if you want to throw this in a bag, as a front cover to really protect the screen, so you can pop it on here, and there you go. Now your iPad is safe and ready to go. So that's all for today. We put on our OtterBox Defender series. I think my dad is really gonna like this. I'm excited to give it to him for Father's Day, and it will be a really fun gift for years to come. So that's all for now. And if you're a father, belated happy Father's Day. It's really a wonderful gift and a blessing to be a father. I hope God bestows his blessings upon you and you enjoy your time with your family and your kids. And remember to go out, enkindle, and enlighten.